Thank you for choosing Phillips Chevrolet.
This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, satellite radio, a rear stereo, a parking camera, dual airbags, and this automobile's stylish design always looks great. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is forceful and direct. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Phillips Chevrolet is located at 33 West Lincoln Highway between Route 30 and 45 in Frankfort, Illinois.